Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. One thing that we often get in the comments section on our videos, because obviously there are a lot of videos on all these vehicles all over the internet, so it's hard to be unique. It's hard to show things that other people aren't showing. But here's something that you may not know about. We're going to walk right up here to the front camera on this truck. And right here, what is that? Well, let me show you. The camera was on the left-hand side, but what was that little thing on the right-hand side? Well, you may or may not know about this, and whether you realize it or not, every time you use your windshield washer fluid to clean off your windshield, this is happening. That is your front camera washer. You can see that the windshield wipers are running as well. And all I did was simply push the button right here, and the windshield wipers are running and cleaning the windshield off, and at the same time it runs the front camera washer. So if you own one of these trucks that has a front camera on it, now you know that you also have a front camera washer. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.